What is Pegasus? Why Supreme Court ordered a probe, or maybe they kept a committee to work on Pegasus? Well, before we know why government initiated this, let me explain what exactly Pegasus and why we are talking about, why media is talking about, why politicians and opposition parties talking about this. Well, Pegasus is a spyware, a kind of a software which will be installed on anybody's phones without their consent. Let's say, like, if I wanted to know your text messages, your calls, your locations, if I can access your camera without your interaction, that will be something. No, I'm taking ownership of that particular phone, or maybe I'm controlling your phone without you knowing about somebody else is looking at your phone. So this Pegasus spyware is designed or developed by Israel's NSO Group company. This is a state developed, like the Israel government co-developed with this company to enhance their security, the country's security. And not anybody can buy this software. Only a government agencies can buy this firmware or maybe the spyware to deploy into the phones, because when a government initiates such kind of a spyware, whether it's a Google or iOS, they have to comply with it, and this cannot be stopped by the providers like Android or iOS. So did India buy that? I'm sure they might have bought this spyware from Israel to track criminal activities. Why we need such software? Now, to protect the country from the terrorist activities or maybe something malicious activities, we have to track some bad people's phone calls. Well, not all phone calls can be tracked with these the providers like Vodafone, Airtel or Jio. You can only track to a certain level, but with the smartphone, with this particular spyware, you can track much more than that. Now, what kind of messages you're seeing, which location you're doing, what kind of apps you're using, the government or the security agencies need to know about this. Well, most of the time, instead of using this for a good cause, some people might be using for a bad cause. Like maybe you wanted to see, maybe the government wanted to know what is opposition leader planning, or maybe how they wanted to tackle this election, or maybe how the investigation agencies are working on. People can misuse information. So I don't know whether the government is installing these firmware on all the stakeholders, like the Supreme Court judges, or maybe the CBI directors, or maybe the police department, or maybe opposite politicians. We don't know in truth. I think the court or the committee will bring the truth to the general publics. But in general, Pegasus is a good cause to bring additional security for the citizens, and this softwares, people can misuse it, and that might not happen in the Indian government as well. Let the truth come out. So this is about Pegasus. I hope now you have a clarity what is Pegasus and why the government is talking about, because a lot of people filed a petition that their privacy is at stake. Instead of tracking only the bad people, maybe they are talking in general. No, this software can be installed in your phone and my phone without our consent. If the officials decide that they want to track your phone, they can install the Pegasus spyware without your consent. It will just come to your phone, and you'll not even know that it's been installed. I hope now you have a clarity on this, and I hope you're enjoying the content on this particular channel through me to know something about technology. If you have any comments on Pegasus, do put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.